Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your game camera angle in NBA 2K26. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your game camera angle in NBA 2K26, it's actually very easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So first, I want you to make sure that you are currently playing a game. Any mode will do. Quick play, Mine Bay, or even My Career is fine. Just make sure you are currently on a game. And then once you're on a game, next, I want you to pause it. And after pausing, a menu will appear. Around this menu, you will see the camera option right here. Just go and open it. And after opening it, you can now scroll through the different camera presets. Use the left and right controls to switch between them. Then preview each one to see which angle you prefer. Try a few options until you find what feels best while playing. And once you've decided for the angle that you want, you can now go back. After that, you'll be asked if you want to save this camera angle for every game or just this one. Simply choose the option based on your preference, but in my case, I will just switch to this angle for just this game only. And then that's it, guys. It's done. Congratulations. Your camera angle for the game will now be changed just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.